Cybersecurity in a hyperconnected world, evolving threats and solutions. As technology advances and connectivity increases, cybersecurity becomes a critical concern. By 2025, the threat landscape will evolve, necessitating advanced cybersecurity measures to protect critical infrastructure, businesses, and individuals. AI-driven threat detection systems will become standard, identifying and mitigating cyber threats in real time. Zero-trust security models will be widely adopted, ensuring strict verification processes for all users and devices accessing networks. Cybersecurity will extend beyond traditional IT systems to encompass IoT devices, industrial control systems, and smart city infrastructure. Businesses will invest heavily in cybersecurity to safeguard sensitive data, protect customer information, and maintain trust. Governments will implement stringent regulations and collaborate with international partners to combat cybercrime. Individuals should adopt safe digital habits such as strong passwords, multi-factor authentication, regular software updates, and protect personal information. By staying vigilant and proactive, we can navigate the complexities of cybersecurity in a hyper-connected world.